With the rise of vibe coding, shipping software today has never been this easy. But making it look like a real product is still very, very hard. Most startups ship working products with weak UI. It looks generic, inconsistent, hurts conversion and retention, and even investor perception. And even when teams do fix their UI once, it quickly gets outdated as the product evolves. There's really no continuous way to improve UI at the code level.
We're targeting startups and product teams actively shipping user-facing software. Focusing on team actively maintaining live products gives us around 500,000 to 1 million potential users. At $29 to $79 a month, that represents a $300 million to $1 billion annual market today.
So we're at the landing page of Reform. You're going to be able to get started and sign up to your GitHub account and select the repository of the project that you want to modify its UI. You're going to answer a series of questions for us to determine who your competitors are. We're going to take these questions and feed it to our engine, which is then going to determine top 50 competitors for you. We're going to then select the highest 3 and send it to TinyFish and deploy 3 browsing agents. What they're going to do is extract this data right over here. It's important to know that without the data that's being extracted by TinyFish browser agents, Reform wouldn't work. We take this data and feed it into our engine to then do the suggestions. So without TinyFish's data, we're just walking in blindly. So as you can see over here in the UX analysis area, we can select which changes we recommend. Once you stage all your changes, you apply and then go to the UI transformation page. What's going to happen is you're going to get a before and after of your user interface. Then we incorporated this tool called the Magic Wand. What it's going to allow you to do is select a specific element in your user interface and modify it. You can just select it and then write in natural language 1 or 2 sentences to describe the change you would like to incorporate. So once you're happy with all the changes and you've staged them all, you can publish it to GitHub. You have the choice to either publish it on main or on a new branch or on an existing branch that you're working on. So that way it doesn't interfere or cause any merge conflicts while using Reform. After you're happy with all of this, once your website is fully deployed, you can use the heat map feature. The heat map feature tracks how users interact on your website. And essentially, we're going to get some heat maps where people's cursors tend to spend the most time on your website and suggest a fix for this specific area. We tested Reform with real builders in a live environment. 34 teams used it to improve their projects during our hosted hackathon.
We're raising $350,000 to make Reform the default UI optimization layer for modern software. We're allocating $160,000 for the founders in order to go full-time into this company, $100,000 in compute credits, $60,000 for outreach, and $30,000 for leeway.